complex instruction set computer modification using Emulator 8086. This project is presented by Mark Eguia and Evelyn Yarzo of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. 8086 Microprocessor Emulator, also known as EMU8086, is an emulator of the program 8086 microprocessor. It is developed with a built-in 8086 assembler. This application is able to run programs on both PC desktops and laptops. This tool is primarily designed to copy or emulate hardware. In computing, an emulator is a software that enables one computer system, which is called as the host, to behave like another computer system, which is called as the guest. An emulator typically enables the host system to run software or use peripheral devices designed for the guest system. The CISC architecture helps reduce program code by embedding multiple operations on each program instruction, which makes the CISC processor more complex. The CISC architecture-based computer is designed to decrease memory costs because large programs or instruction required large memory space to store the data, thus increasing the memory requirement, and a large collection of memory increases the memory cost, which makes them more expensive.
The CISC are complex instruction set computer, developed by the Intel. It has a large collection of complex instructions that range from simple to very complex and specialized in the assembly language level, which takes a long time to execute the instructions. So, CISC approaches reducing the number of instruction on each program and ignoring the number of cycles per instruction. It emphasizes to build complex instructions directly in the hardware because the hardware is always faster than software. However, CISC chips are relatively slower as compared to RISC chips but use little instruction than RISC. Examples of CISC processors are VAX, AMD, Intel x86 and the System/360.
Some of the characteristics of CISC processor. The length of the code is short, so it requires very little RAM. CISC or complex instructions may take longer than a single clock cycle to execute the code. Less instruction is needed to write an application. It provides easier programming in assembly language, support for complex data structure and easy compilation of high-level languages. It is composed of fewer registers and more addressing nodes, typically 5 to 20. Instructions can be larger than a single word. It emphasizes the building of instruction on hardware because it is faster to create than the software.